How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be using a piece of technology that you usually don't see in the fishing world. We're going to be using this bad boy right here. Going to be using this 3D printer. I found a couple plans and we're going to see if we can catch a fish on some 3D printed lures. Because honestly, lures are getting kind of expensive and I work a minimum wage job and I can't really afford them. So, we'll see. Alright, so I found this popper here, and that's definitely going to be one of the lures, because it's the middle of summer, and that will definitely get crushed. So we're going to hit download on that, and then I'm going to try and find more lures. Catch up with you in a bit. Alright, oop, a little dark. Alright, so I'm going to go back in here. Put the SD card in. Come on, you goofy goober. Oh, helps you put it in the right way. Alright. Come around to the back. Alright, then we go to tools, preheat, tappy tap, and now we wait. Alright, so we got this little lipless crankbait done. Open this door. Check it out. Now we just got to print the popper and we'll be good to go. Alright, just got the popper done. Now all that's left to do is put some hooks on these bad boys and then let's go catch some fish. Alright, we got them all set up. We got hooks on them and everything. Let's go see what we can catch. We're going to start off with this popper. I don't know what the actions are or anything on this stuff, so, well, gotta get it off the freaking line first. Alright. See what this thing looks like. I mean, I think it's gonna work. Oh yeah. That's gonna work. Making some big old bubbles out there. Oh, we got one. We caught one on the 3D printed popper. Yes. Oh, it's not even a bass. Oh my gosh. That is a stud. I'm gonna need some pliers. That is a huge green sunfish. Oh my gosh, on the popper, the 3D printed lure. It's crazy. I do not. God, what did I tell you, man? I wish you'd just hurry up and unhook yourself. That way I didn't have to deal with you. No! You get back here. Check that thing out. That is a stud. On the 3D printed popper. That's awesome. I didn't think it could be done, but we did it. There he goes. Whew. That's pretty sweet. Well, I guess now we have to catch one on the lipless crankbait just to, I guess, complete the slam. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to call it with this thing. GoPro battery's starting to die. It's not really the action that I would like to see, but hey, we still caught one on the popper. That's all I can really ask for. That kind of shocked me. Overall, this I probably wouldn't keep, but that popper I will definitely be adding to my tackle box. It was a really good action, and if I lose it, I just make another one. So with that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like, subscribe, See y'all on the next one.